It's spooky season, so that means, well, it's time to do a clean sweep and make a witch's broom. Or if you're a Harry Potter fan, it's the Numas 3000. Let's go and have some fun. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are in the world today. I'm BT, and this is the Balloon Sculptor, and what we're going to be doing today is making a witch's broom, because it is a spooky season, and we want to make sure that we have some different options. Now, a lot of times when you're doing events during Halloween, there are going to be large crowds, and you need to make things quick. It's great to make witches and orcs and goblins and ghouls and all types of things. But sometimes, especially if you're doing like a trunk or treat or you're doing events for the city, you need to make sure things are quick because you're going to have a lot of kids and you don't want to have a long line because they're going from section to section. And your event coordinators probably want people to be able to move throughout the whole thing and get things done. So that kind of sometimes limits so that we can use one or two balloons. And it also sometimes limits how big we make it. Now, I do like making things that go along with the kids' costumes. So, of course, that gives you like swords. And that lets you do, if they're, let's see, a dog catcher, they would have a dog. Things like that. Or if they're a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, you might make them a bow staff. Well, a lot of times, especially if you got like Harry Potter's real popular still for costumes, or if you're going the more traditional witches and things like that, a broom is something and it's actually very quick. So what we're going to do is we just need two balloons. I'm going to use yellow for the broom part of it, and I'm going to use a dark brown for the handle. So this, you're going to blow up the balloon about either 3/4 of the way or all the way. Somewhere in between there. You don't need to be precise because what you're going to be eventually doing is dividing it into 4 sections. So let me blow it up here. So, got our nice little section there. Going to tie it off. And we're going to get this set up here. Okay. So we're going to go see how long we have that tail. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze the balloon, make it nice and soft, and tie the ends together. By running my thumb through, I can pretty much find the exact center. I'm going to bring it down. Now I have my glasses, my bow tie. This can be fun for a lot of different things. You got a kid, you want to make a cell phone? Hello? It's a little bigger. Now it's all about, the tablets. So you can give them little butterfly wings or angel wings. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Again, a lot of different options with just a loop. Or maybe they're a mathematician. They want to talk about infinity or infinity and beyond. All right, so now what we got, we're going to bring them together. Okay. Whoops, what? That was if I was making a simple butterfly. But we're going to make the broom. So, we're going to find the center here, and we're going to do a simple roll twist. You have a video on that technique. Okay? There we go. And now we're going to take our dark brown balloon. Pull that up to however long you want. If they're shorter, you're going to make it a little shorter. If they're taller, you're going to make it a little longer. And now what we're going to simply do is 2 ear twists at the base of it. So, get our first ear twist and our second ear twist right there. Now what we're going to do is take those 2 sections and twist them together. And just like that, we have our simple broom. Maybe they're Mickey Mouse and they're doing Fantasia. Dun, 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 and they're marching. Oh, okay. So, now if you're going to be doing something like from the Harry Potter ones that want to add a little bit more personality and more character to it, it is very simple. We actually have a video where it's just talking about this one technique. It's sculpting. All you're going to do is push it where you want it, give it a little push, and boom. By doing that, you're stretching the outer part of the curve and leaving the inner part nice and tight. That way, the rubber and the latex will keep that shape. So that's what we're going to do right there. And then when we want, they can then just simply, simply just fly away. And that is the witch's broom or the Harry Potter broom. So there you go. And remember, if we can put smiles on kids' faces, it's a good thing. Because a smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment. But an encouraging word at the right moment can change your life forever. So until next time, keep on twisting, and I'll see you soon